People are earning hundreds of thousands of rupees by creating motorcycle restoration videos of famous brands like BMW. And what's shocking is that this entire video was created for free using AI. Yes, in just a few minutes, I created this video. And you can do the same using only your mobile phone without spending a single rupee. Right now, these restoration videos are getting millions of views, and creators are making serious money from them. Just take a look at this YouTube channel. One video has 34 million views, another has 28 million, then 21 million, 11 million, 10 million, 9 million. Everywhere you look, millions of views. And when long-form videos are getting millions of views, you already know what that means. Not thousands, not lakhs, but crores in earnings. Now here's the important part. This creator is making content for Urdu-speaking audiences. He restores bikes like Honda 70cc, Kawasaki 110cc, and other motorcycles commonly used in India and Pakistan, all recorded manually with a camera. That content works well locally. But today I'm going to show you how you can target USA and European audiences by creating restoration videos of iconic vintage bikes using AI and completely free. If you learn this complete system properly, inshallah, you can get millions of views, build a global audience and generate serious income. But before we begin, if you're new here, subscribe to the channel. Like this video, share it with others so they can benefit too. Your support keeps this channel going. As always, I don't just talk, I give you complete working systems. In the video description, you'll find a master prompt. This single prompt will generate 10 viral video ideas, provide bike names, model years and colors, focus on classic motorcycles loved in Western countries, create a complete 15-minute ASMR scene breakdown. To create a 15-minute restoration video, you need around 180 to 200 video clips, and this prompt gives you everything. Copy the master prompt from the description, open ChatGPT, paste it, and press enter. Instantly, you'll get 10 powerful ideas, such as BMW, 1975, Suzuki, 1985, Harley-Davidson, 1947, Kawasaki, Honda Gold Yamaha. These aren't random ideas. These are your video titles and content roadmap. Choose any idea you like and simply enter its number. For example, select BMW R75 Tucker 5, 1973. ChatGPT will now generate a complete scene-by-scene breakdown for a 15-minute restoration video. You'll receive around 180 detailed scenes. That means 180 clips. Sagram 1 professional-level motorcycle restoration video. This is where the real magic begins. Now, each scene comes with short prompts. But short prompts don't produce quality videos. So I've provided a prompt expansion prompt in the description. We'll train a chatbot once using Grok, and after that, you paste small prompts. It automatically converts them into high-detail cinematic prompts. No repetition. No manual rewriting. The result? Next-level AI video quality. You can generate videos using 3 free platforms: Google Flow, Veo Meta AI Grok Imagine. Simply paste the expanded prompt. Select 16:9 ratio, choose video click. Generate each prompt gives you 4 video variations, and every clip is usable. Once all clips are ready, import them into any video editor, arrange them in sequence. Mute the original audio. ASMR videos don't need narration. Download realistic sound effects from pixabay.com, such as cleaning sounds, grinding fitting parts, spray painting. Match sounds with visuals. That's it. If you start working consistently using this system, inshallah, you'll see results. But remember, consistency is non-negotiable. Effort decides success. If you found this video helpful, like the video, share it with friends you're watching. Tech Solution Guru.